That's going to work out really great, I think. Oh, it keeps your butt. There we go. Right there.
I might have to check some more.
They won't come out, baby.
How do you get that
Yep.
for me? Get that
More?
for me.
Yeah.
You can put something down below right there, or just a piece of wire.
Yeah.
Just the wire.
Yeah.
That worked out good. Better than the other piece of wood you had in there, huh?
Yeah.
You're just going to screw it to the top and that's it?
Yeah. Now screw it there, and then I'll screw this. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
And stuff a couple times.
no, man.
Hey, what's happening, guys? Hey, this is Clifford with Born Free Homestead. Just wanted to show you guys what we did today. We basically had to split one of our chicken coops because we got a couple of younger chickens that they keep getting picked on. So they're not really big enough to defend themselves. And I got three, well, I had four. Just a few weeks older than them. Those are the ones that was picking on them. Try to put them all in there together, but one of them I found dead this morning. Don't know why, but it's just one of those things that happens. But yeah, so me and my wife and a couple grandkids built a wall in between one of the cages. It's just temporary until we wind up getting an electric fence to where I can put enough around this little building that I turned into a chicken coop. And right now I've got some chickens out in the pasture and a chicken tractor. I got about 7 or 8 barred rock out there. Just kind of trying to knock down some of the weeds and tear them up and that stuff. But then I've got about another 8 or 9 up here in the front. But anyways, I'll show you what we did today and go from there. Okay, I already got the baby chicks in there. You can see them right there. 2 of them. One's a Rhode Island Red and one's a Barred Rock. Let me open the door here. There they are. Then here's the other 3 Rhode Island Reds. They're a little bit bigger. Like I said, there was 4 in here, but found one dead this morning. But anyways, this is that wall that I put up. Just ran it right down through the middle so we can use the same door and just go to either side. Ran chicken wire all the way up to the top, the roof, and all the way down. It's pretty sturdy, all screwed in. But anyways, let me back up so I'll show you guys kind of how we split it. We can use the same door. But it seemed to turn out pretty good. So this should get them by for right now. I do got to build them some, get some nesting boxes in here. I'll probably just build a couple boxes, or I've got a few out there I might just turn into where when winter time kicks in, they can go inside of it. So, but anyways, this is what we got. Anyways, this is the little building. I'm just basically cleaned out, wasn't using, so I turned it into added onto it, cut in a little door and that stuff, you know. But eventually, you can see where I added onto it here, and the one in the back's totally separate. It's not bolted down to the building or nothing. But I did cut in a little door right here, so they can go in and out. But anyways, what I'd like to do is eventually get rid of this and just get netting, you know. I might not even get rid of it. I might just leave it open, leave the doors open. That way I can run the netting wherever I want. And the chickens can go out and graze in the grass and that stuff. But like I said, those are things that are probably going to be in the future. Don't know when. Hopefully soon. But here we got so much stuff going on that it's just one thing after another. All the stuff just keeps adding up. It's never done. So well, that's a big horsefly right there. Look at this, guys. Look at this, how big this horsefly is. I don't know if you can see it right there. Man, look at that. Wow. I got bit by one of those like a few weeks ago. Man, look at the kind of the prongs on that thing. Look at it. Like little teeth or something. Rubbing his feet like, go ahead, come towards me. Man. I'm going to split my other section of my chicken pen. I need to bring the barred rocks back up there out of the pasture, you know, before winter and all that stuff hits. So I'm splitting this, keep them separated from my Rhode Island Reds. And here's my rooster right here. It's a pretty good boy. Big boy, I can tell you that. Say hi. Say hi to the people, man. And there's Max. Always aggravating them. He thinks he's tough until one of them lights him up. But more than anything, he just wants to play. There she is. There's one of the mamas. Okay. Well, let me get started on this. All right, guys, I basically slapped together to split this this chicken coop so I can bring the other chickens back out of the pasture back in here for winter. It's nothing fancy. I just used what I had around the homestead, just some pallets and that stuff. That way I could keep the my barred rock separate from my Rhode Island Reds. But I'll show you guys. I just got to hang the door. Got to get a couple hinges and be able to hang it. And then what I'm going to do next is go inside the little building here that I turned into a coop, and I'm going to split it and make it separate to where I got a door on each side to where they can go in and lay and everything. And then I'll probably do the same thing with the other coop on the other side, just so they can get out of the weather and that stuff, which they do pretty good. I mean, you know, here in Arkansas it didn't get real cold last year, but all the chickens survived and that stuff. Kept giving them hay and that stuff and straw. So, but just trying to do a little something different until things change and we can afford to get you know, some of these poultry nets and this stuff, so I can actually just let them go and let them roam outside the yard in a fenced-in area. That way I can move the poultry net around, or just put it up actually around this whole thing, and they can come out and graze and that stuff, and then they can come back in the evening. I can lock them up from any coyotes or foxes. There is a few foxes out here, raccoons. So, but I'll show you guys what I got done. Like I said, I just used what I had around here. It's nothing fancy, but it'll keep the chickens separated. So let me show you guys. Okay, this is the door right here that I made for before I split it. That was where they come in and out. But I'm going to go ahead and close that off, and I'll put one over here in the corner, and I'll put one over there in the corner. And on the inside, I'm going to, like I said, right where the door is, I'll split that in the inside. That way there's two different nesting areas. But this is basically what I had done. I know you guys can see it in the video, but like I said, it is nothing fancy. Just use what I had, and I will get this door hung, and then hopefully tomorrow I'll start on the inside of this, splitting it. But that's it. So hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hey, please subscribe, you know, and give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. Sure would appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.